Acura 2010 TXX. uh, I already replaced the AC compressor, and so I'm gonna show you, not show you, but I'm gonna tell you the easiest way. You don't have to take apart too many things. Just remove the serpentine belt. Right there is right here. There's a 14 millimeter right there, tensioner, and then you have to remove the belt, and then um, so obviously you have to evacuate all the freon on your system before taking apart the compressor. So right there is a move this coolant reservoir on the side right here, right there, and unplug it from here. Right there is there's a plug right there, so unplug it there, and then it comes so easy out, and then you have more room to take out the AC compressor. um, right here I'm gonna show you, this a plug right there for the compressor right there. So unplug this first, and then you can take out this bolt right there, and then just wiggle the 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 hose for the compressor. Just wiggle it out, make sure you don't lose the gasket inside. There's a gasket already inside the hose. Take it out, put it on the side right there, and then from there, um, after you take out this, you have a lot of space right here, and this, once you take this out too, so there's more space right there too. Then take out this uh, hose too. There is a bolt right there, which I'm gonna show you which one is right here. So right there, this one right here is holding the hose right there, that one right there, and this is the old compressor right here. um, so basically this is where the low pressure hose goes right here, and this is the other hose right here. You switch, you plug for the switch for the compressor, and the bearing is that, and also the clutch too. um, so right here, the tricky part is right here to take it out. You see this little hooks right there? There's like two hooks right there, and right there. That's what those little hooks. Those things are gonna help you out to mount the compressor onto the bracket. So then it's easier for you to pull these two bolts right here back, and then this one on the bottom. Um, that's the not the hardest one, but it's a little bit tricky to take it out. So there's no ratchet can fit in there. So I use this one, the serpentine belt, to fit in there. And then once I was done with it, I used one of those um, ratchets at 10, and then once you pull out this, it comes from the top. The AC compressor I mean, comes out from the top, not from the bottom. And this one is pretty easy to take it from the bottom. So you lose those both from the bottom, but this one comes from the bottom, and this one comes from the top with the whole compressor. And once you put it back in there, so it doesn't fall all over the places, just put a piece of tape on the with the bolts right there. So very easy job. Um, so it comes underneath the alternator. You don't have to take out your alternator. Trust me, it is so easy to take it out. So it comes out this way and then up. The tricky part is, like I said, that's the little hooks that the compressor has to kind of help out to uh, engage right there with the bracket right there. I don't know if I can show you, but it's a little bit. So it's somewhere back there. But anyways, so just the two bolts right there, this one right there, and the other one right there, right behind my hose. So once you put everything back, once you put back the compressor, don't put this hose don't put it back. You can put the other one from the bottom, but this one leave it last. Then put your belt, and then put this one, and then you can put your sorry and then you can put your fan, and don't forget to plug it in too. So pretty easy job. You don't have to take apart take out this alternator. Trust me, it comes from the top, underneath, it comes this way and up. So it's so easy. Trust me, so easy. And to put it back, like I said before, I just want to emphasize, um, okay, the little buttons right there, little hooks right there. Those are gonna help you out to mount the AC compressor on the bracket, and to line up with the bolts right there, which are 212s, I believe. All right. So right now I'm just pulling up the vacuum and ready to install the refrigerant. Okay. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, you guys let me know. Okay, working now. The fan is spinning. The clutch is engaging now. See? Now the clutch compressor is cycling now. So is the fan. Right there, brother. Woohoo!